So, hi guys, I am Karthik Vyas and welcome to Fantasy Football Funda. This match we will going to be cover that will be between Odisha FC and Jamshedpur FC. That is scheduled to be on 14th of December. 7:30 is the deadline time of the match, and when we talk about venue, then that will be Tilak Maidan Stadium. These are the basic details of the match, and after that, when we talk about both the teams, then I would say both the teams are in some good form. Although Odisha FC won their last match and Jamshedpur FC lost their last match against Mumbai City FC. But this match will be crucial for both the teams because both the teams are in the top 4. And if Odisha FC wins, then they can replace. There is a slightly chance then they can replace the table topper team Mumbai City FC. And for Jamshedpur FC, if they won, then they can replace Odisha FC from second place. That's why this match will be important for both the teams. And table standings will be Odisha FC is on second place with 3 win and 1 loss. And when we talk about Jamshedpur FC, then they are on the fourth position with 2 win, 2 draw, and 1 loss. Both the teams are both the teams are in good form. If we ignore the last match of Jamshedpur FC that they have lost. And when we talk about probable playing 11 of both the teams, then Odisha FC will be playing with Kamaljeet Singh as goalkeeper, Sahil Panwar, Lalura Thara, Hector Rodas, Victor Mongli Adeva. So this will be the defense section. And when we talk about midfield and attacking midfield, then that will be consisting of Xavi Hernandez, Vineet Rai, Liridon Kresniki, Isak Vanmal Sauma, Jerry, and then at last we have Zonathas. This is going to be the probable playing 11 of Odisha FC, and there is no injury news as of now. And when we talk about free kicks and corners, then free kicks will be taken by Xavi and corners will also be taken by Xavi Hernandez. That's why he is the most important player of the team as of now. And when we talk about important players like core players of your Dream 11 team and all, then in the first we have Zonathas, second we have Xavi Hernandez, in the third you can pick Hector Rodas. So these three will be like core players from Odisha FC team that you can't miss in your Dream 11 team. And when we talk about Jamshedpur FC, then we have TP Rehnesh in the goalkeeper section. We have Peter Hartley, Elisabia, Renthley, and Anas in the defense section. And when we talk about midfield and striker section, then we have Alexander Lima, Komal Thatal, Pranay Haldar, Mobashir Rahman, Nerojas Veliskis, and at last we have Greg Stewart. That guy is performing well in the 5 matches. He has scored 1 goal, and I think he has also given 3 or 4 assists in the matches. So that's why he's performing so well in the season. So this is the probable playing 11 of Jamshedpur FC, and as such injury news is not available. And when we talk about free kicks and corners, then free kicks and corners will be taken by Stewart. That's why. And when we talk about the core players of Jamshedpur FC, then in the list we have Greg Stewart, Neeraj Veliskis, and then in the third option we have Alexander Lima, and in the defense section you can pick Alice Sabia as like core player of your team. These 4 are the main players of Jamshedpur, and I think you can't miss this in your Dream 11 team. So that's why they are the important players. And at last, when we come on to safe captain and vice captain choices, but before that, I want to remind you that we have a Dream 11 group also as well. So you can join that. Link is in the description. So don't forget to join that. And Telegram channel also, Fantasy Fundas by Karthik. You can search on Telegram and then join, and you will get more of the news and small league and grand league teams. So don't miss that out. And if you like the video, then also you can press the thumbs up button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then definitely do a subscribe also to this channel. And after that, when we come on to safe captain vice captain choices, then Xavi, Jonathas, and Velasquez, I think these are the safest captain vice captain combos for today's match. And when we talk about grand league captain options, then in the list I have 2 players, Alexander Lima and Greg Stewart as well. So this is my team as of now, and I have Gazing as goalkeeper section. In the defense section, I have Lal Rothara and Hector Rodas Ramirez. And when we talk about defense section from Jamshedpur, then I have Ali Sabia and Peter Hartley in the section. And in the midfield section, I have Alexander Lima, Xavi Hernandez, and I have picked some differential picks and like Isak Vanmal Sauma. This player can do wonders at his day, so that's why I've taken a risk. If you want to be safe, Then you can pick Vineet Rai also. So that was a good player also. And when we talk about in the forward section, then Velasquez, Jonathas, and Stewart are there. And if Arida Cabrera is playing in, Arida is playing in the place of Jonathas in the lineup, then you can also pick him. And when we talk about captain vice captain, then Xavi, Velasquez are the safe combo for captain vice captain, and you can also make Xavi Hernandez with Jonathas as a captain vice captain options. So this is the team, and thank you for watching my preview. And once again, if you like my video, then definitely give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, then subscribe also and press the bell notification also, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. So that's why. And thanks for watching my video again, and all the best for today's match. See you in next match.